Okay, trouble with the lathe. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to just run that down. Notice that as I crank the wheel up and then pull it back the other way, I'm getting 2 or 3 10,000ths of movement just doing that. There. So we're basically, hopefully you can see that, at 0. Now this one here, got on 0 this dial for fun. This is only reading in thousandths, so it's not all that helpful. There you go. And again, as you can see, that one is about 4 10,000ths off. Doesn't look so bad. And as you'll notice, I have a mark right here. And that mark represents, somehow this is almost straight across or parallel to the ways here. But let's do this. As you'll notice, we're going to rotate that clear across so that's 90 degrees away from that other one. I don't know if you can see that one now. Now check out that. We're somewhere near 7,000ths off. It's not, well, it's worse. It's not even contacting. So I'll run it back here. Reset our 0. See how far off we are. Okay, zeroed out again. That's not going to work. Sorry about that. We're already off the chart. Let's go back to 0 here. Now we'll run it back this way. See how far off we are. Several thousandths, as you can see. How can one side of that be so far off? That makes absolutely no sense. Just so you know, the test bar, which is precision ground from HBM in Britain, I believe I got this from Kronos Ltd. Yeah, we're looking at 6.7 thousandths off, and that's just crazy. Look at that top dial. Yeah, watch the run out. Let's turn it from back here. Looking somewhere around 8.5 thousandths. At any rate, I've already turned a test bar right here. And that shows that I am 4.6 thousandths. I've got pictures of that. 4.6 thousandths larger on the end than at the chuck side. So what on earth is going on? Somehow there's some sort of wobble in the spindle. It doesn't appear to be just a spindle alignment thing. I have already been messing with the alignment now on the head, but this test bar was cut before that head alignment was done. And this way, that's a hollow bar. So we have a problem, and I don't know what it is. Looking for any help that I can.